Hi guys, this is the Java series part 77. Now let's discuss about how to create the file using the inbuilt class file that is present inside the java.io package. Okay, first I have to import the file class. Import java.io file. F must be capital. Okay, file is the name of the class that is present inside the java.io package. And I have to import one more inbuilt class. Okay, so that is IOException inbuilt class. Okay, and this is my class. This class is inside this package. And I have created the main method. Now I have to create a new file using this file class. Okay, what I will do? First I have to create the object for this file class. Okay, file f object. This is the name of the object for file class, and a new keyword and parameterized constructor for file class. Inside the round brackets, I have to pass the parameter. The parameter is nothing but the name of the file. Okay. Inside the double quotes, I have to give the path of the file. Okay. Grapes dot text file. Okay. And I have to implement the exception handling in order to avoid the runtime errors. Okay. In order to maintain the execution flow of the program. Okay, so what I will do, I have to use the try catch block. Okay, so try and catch inside the round brackets. Now I pass the IOException inbuilt class. Okay, and I have to give the name of the variable. So inside the try block, now I have to place the suspicious code. Okay, here I have used the decision making statement if. Okay, and the object name for file class is f object dot create new file. Okay, this is the inbuilt method. This method is present inside the file class. Okay, so this create new file method returns the boolean value. If the file is created means this method returns true. Okay, if this file is not created, it returns false. Okay, so now if the file is created successfully means what is the message? System.out.println the created file concatenation symbol plus and the name of the object f object dot get name method. Okay, so this is the inbuilt method. This is used to return the name of the file. Okay, and end of the statement is semicolon. Okay, if this method returns false means the else block will be executed. Okay, system.out.println the given file is already exist. Okay, this is only the output statement. We should give the semicolon at the end of the line. Okay, and if any input output error is occurred means what will happen? This catch block is responsible to handle the raised error. Okay, so this is the inbuilt exception class. This is the variable for this exception class. Okay, so the inbuilt error message will be stored inside the variable IE that will be printed on our console using the println method. So the variable name IE. Got it? So inside the java.io package we have the file class. Inside this file class we have the createNewFile and getName inbuilt methods. This createNewFile returns the boolean value. It returns true when this file is created successfully. Okay, it returns false, file is already present. Okay, so here this inbuilt method is used to return the name of the created file. Okay, so now let me execute this one. Here the created file grapes. Okay, now again if I execute the same, means what we will get? Actually this is now only created. So if I execute the same again means what we will get? The else block only will be executed, isn't it? The given file is already exist. Okay, so if I execute the same program again means we got, so the given file is already exist. Got it? If there is any error is occurred means this catch block will be executed. Okay, I hope you all understood about the execution flow of this program. We have completed this session. If you have any doubts, drop the message on the comment section. If this video is useful to you, like and share. For more videos, subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, then only you will get the notification for my new updates. Have a nice day. Thank you.